Hi, my name is Mary Hill, and welcome to my new listing at 6719 Ruffner Avenue, located on a beautiful tree-lined street in desirable Lake Balboa. This open concept home was almost entirely rebuilt just 10 years ago and features Brazilian cherry hardwood flooring throughout. The kitchen is equipped with stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, and stylish slate backsplash. The spacious primary bedroom boasts dual closets and an ensuite bathroom. Thank you for joining me on a tour of this gorgeous home. For more information or a private tour, give me a call.